YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. All you gotta do is click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart right now and check out. They still got Prime Day sales going on, back to school sales. Now's the time to buy. And we're in the clutch almost for Santa Claus season. Christmas is coming. So here we go. Coming from Syncwire. Inflate series. 5 modes. Setting. 2600 mAh battery. Portable design. Available on Amazon. Thank you guys for sending me this. Portable inflator air pump. Inflate I-190. Here's all the features. There we go. Pop this open. You could deflate, inflate balls, especially for swimming pools. You name it, this does it all. I gotta find one if I have. Football, soccer balls. Ooh, nice little travel case. Syncwire. Look at this. Nice little satchel bag. Take this on the road, leave it in your glove compartment. Nice little baggie. Here we go. And we got here USB, all the goodies. I think that's it. Manual. So I got the little manual Syncwire. And we got some pumps, the needle. And we got the setup guide. Should be easy though. I don't think we need to look at it. But just in case it's there. Come on. Ooh. Syncwire. Nice little protectives. Everything here. USB. Type C. Flashlight. Fan. Now I just peel this off. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It's a nice little screen. How do I turn it on? Oh, power right here. Ooh. Whoa. PSI 360. 36.0. There's a little flashlight. It's really bright. This is definitely handy. So you adjust it. Oh, there's options on top. Bicycle, basketball. I'm not sure what that is. Car, bicycle, or moped, bicycle, basketball. So we just do a simple. I think I got a ball somewhere I gotta find. I got one in my room probably. Make sure you got it all the way. Twist. There we go. It's nice and connected right there. Here's the back. And now we just hook up the needle because that's what I'm going to be using for the football in a second. This would be great for even if you're traveling with your bike at dirt roads or whatever, and you hit some kind of rock or something, you know, get your tire low, you can always fill it up on the go and continue riding. Uh-oh, fumble. Hold on, let me put this in right. Give me 1 second, guys. Make sure you twist it all the way down. There we go. Phone was in the way. Now I just gotta go do. See? There we go, it's locked in good. I can feel the air coming out. See? Now what's in this? Oh, these are extra covers. Alright, let me get the ball. I'll be right back. Oh boy, here we go. Got the ball. Really old one. 2006 Detroit Super Bowl. That was a good time. But now, definitely almost 20 years ago. That's crazy how fast time flies. So you just pop it in the hole, and you can see it's kind of oops. There we go. Maybe drop it down. Now it's adding it. I don't want it to pop in my face, so there we go. Solid. So if this thing works like that, you could do anything. Oh wow. This actually feels like it's brand new. Don't look brand new though, but oh man. So definitely check them out. Really cool. Tire inflate series. And you guys could get them now. Links down below. They got them on sale. Get them before they sell out. Be safe. Have a good night. Hopefully see you back tomorrow. If not, have a good weekend. And be safe out there. It is crazy. All right. See ya.